Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 18. As you guys can see, I'm getting ready for the day. I actually forgot to start recording, so I've just started right now. But I am getting ready for my virtual company Christmas parties. So yeah, guys, as you would have seen in yesterday's Vlogmas, you guys know that I have now quit my current role. And regardless of quitting my current role, today is the last working day for my current company for the year anyways, because it's shutting down for the year. But I also this evening have my new company's Christmas party. So I'm just getting ready for it. I'm gonna get all glammed up. I am just getting ready for the day, and I thought it would be fun for you guys to get ready with me and have a little chat and just talk about company Christmas parties this year. So yeah, I'm also going to talk about all the products that I am using in this kind of get ready with me. I'll also make sure to list everything down in the description if you guys are interested in any of the makeup that I'm going to be wearing today. So I've already put on my foundation and some concealer, and now I'm just setting with MAC Studio Fix, and I am in the color NC 44.5, and it's just a powdered foundation that I use to set myself, especially when I want my makeup to last all day. I'm also going to go in and set with a actual setting powder, which is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, because I want this to really last, because obviously I have to work all day today. I'm still working today. Today is my last working day, but I'm also gonna want my makeup to last into the evening for the Christmas party. And I love using setting powders because I use a lot of cream products in general, and using a setting powder really helps lock that all in all day. So for all my makeup, other than my eyes today, it's all pretty much my standard stuff that I wear every single day, like my eyebrow stuff, my blush, my highlighter. All of that is going to be the exact same that you guys have seen in previous videos, so nothing new there. But I will show you guys my eyeshadow in a minute and what I plan on doing. I'm probably going to do a little bit of glam, glitz glam, a little bit of glitter, because why not? I was just looking back at last year, and I realized that last year I was going out to Christmas events like every week. Partially because of like company stuff, but also for the blog and Instagram, I was out to so many Christmas parties. Well, also holiday events, like PR agencies invited me to certain events, which was really nice. This year is a totally different year, as I was saying. Like, we're obviously in lockdown here in London, which means that we can't socialize with anyone outside of our household anywhere. And actually all the restaurants are closed, which I feel so bad, because it means that people are unable to even, go out to a restaurant for the lead up to Christmas. So all company Christmas parties are going to be virtual this year. I'm going to be using a different eyeshadow base today. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this is the color Eden, I believe, which is like a very, very like neutral color, and it's going to just blank out the color on my eyes. So when I put down any eyeshadow on top of this, it's like a very blank canvas. You want a clean white canvas. This is giving my eyes a very clean white canvas to work on. Anyways, going back to company Christmas parties, I just wanted to chat about having virtual ones this year. It's a very different year. I think some people will even have virtual parties with friends as well, because you can't even meet friends. Yeah, we can't actually go out to Christmas parties or go to company things as well. So I want to know, let me know in the comments below if you guys have a virtual company Christmas party this year. And if you do have a virtual company or friends Christmas party, what are you guys doing for it? Like, I'm so curious. Like, our Christmas party is a bit of a surprise. We've been given a gift that we have to open on Zoom with the rest of the team. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't actually know what's happening in the Christmas party, so it is a bit of a surprise. It's gonna be an interesting year of Christmas, to be completely honest. I hope Vlogmas is getting you excited for the festive season, but I have to say that it's really weird to have such a virtual Christmas year. I will be using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is like such an old palette. This is Textures Eyeshadow Palette Rose Gold Edition. So Huda has come out with like 20 more of these palettes, but this is like the first and only one I ever bought from her, and I absolutely love it. I love that it has like the super glitzy glam, and I want to use those today, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna go for. I'm also going to be using a few eyeshadows from this Narcissist Wanted palette. It's a super small travel palette. I am now going to use this pressed powder, which is a mess, as you can see, but you're supposed to use these with your fingers, and then you're supposed to press it onto your eyelid, and it's super like foil gold kind of look, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put on false lashes, and I have a few, but I think I'm gonna go for the ultra glam ones. These are like super full and like super glam, and I usually only use them for party reasons, but hey, it is a Christmas party even though I'm sitting at home. So I'm gonna get a little bit extra and put on some big lashes. So I'm just going to contour my face and do my blush and all that normal, nothing new. I'm basically done with my eyes now. You can see what a difference false lashes makes to your whole shape of your eye, and just like, sometimes when I put on false lashes, I'm like, I wish I had these lashes every single day. Like, honestly, they just make you feel like va va voom. It's like, whoo, like I feel like, wow. And I have tried lash extensions before, and I don't know, because they're so high maintenance and you have to get it done every 3 weeks, and also because you can't use any oil products on your face, it just really turned me off from doing them long term, and that's why I just use like the strip lashes and glue them on every time I want to. But sometimes I wish my lashes look like this every single day. So guys, I'm basically done with my eye and face makeup, and nothing too crazy, to be honest. Like I said, it's just a little bit of brown and gold sparkle. I feel a little bit strange going super glam at home. I tried to do a little bit more than I normally do, obviously, but I will obviously just be sitting at home in front of a screen. But now I want to ask you guys for help with picking out my lipstick. So actually, these colors are very similar, but I wanted to share them with you guys because they are my favorite MAC red lipsticks for brown skin tone girls out there, or guys. These are both matte lipsticks, and one is Diva. So this is Diva. I'll just show you guys. This one's Diva. And then this one here is called Studded Kiss. And as you can see, both of them are fairly similar when it comes to the color and everything. One is just a little bit more brick colored, so Studded Kiss is a bit more bricky, so like a true red brick, and then Diva is more purpley. So I don't know which one I want to wear today. I think I'm gonna go with Diva because I am a diva, and I always use NYX lip liners. I love their lip liners. They're so affordable, and because I wear lip liner all the time with lipstick and I fill in my lips with lip liner, I always buy kind of like a cheap lip liner because I go through them so quickly, but they are such good quality for what they are. So guys, that is my full face of makeup done. I know it looks like a little bit much because, you know, it's still settling in, and also it's just weird because my hair is not done and I'm in a robe still. But I am actually going to now dry my hair with my Dyson Airwrap. So if you guys don't already know, I have recently purchased a Dyson Airwrap, and if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen those videos, I have done an unboxing of my Dyson Airwrap and my first time using it. So if you guys are interested in either one of those videos, I'll link it up in the cards for you guys right now. But I'm just gonna dry my hair and use the skinny curling wands to curl my hair today, and I'm just gonna fast forward through this because you guys have already seen it if you guys have watched my previous video. I've just put on my dress, which you guys would have seen earlier in this week in the vlog. If you guys haven't seen that little photo shoot I did with Zizi, I'll link it up in the cards for you right now. But I've just put on my dress and I'm in a little bit of a pickle because, as you would have seen in my Primark haul, I bought this cute little headband, which I'm not sure if I should wear this, or the dress came with a Santa hat, but I don't want to ruin my hair by putting a hat on it. So I think I'm going to wear my little elf hat today. What do you guys think? Give this video a thumbs up. Oh, Christmas is almost here, guys. Anyways, I am going to take some selfies to put on the Instagram. If you're not already following me there, make sure you do. And then I'm gonna go get started with my last day at work, and then get excited for my Christmas party. Before I start work, I wanted to show you guys my full outfit. It's still a little bit dark because it's super early out, but as you can see, this is the dress that I got from Primark, and then my little headband as well from Primark, and I am ready for this Christmas party. Guys, I'm actually out in public in this outfit. I am out just to pick up a few necessities from the grocery store, so yep, actually wearing the Christmas outfit outside, but I need to pick up some drinks for the Christmas party, so that is what I'm doing. I just got back from the store. As you guys would have seen, I went out in this costume or outfit or whatever you want to call it, and everyone had to stop and ask, even with masks on, hey, are you going to a Christmas party? And I was like, yes, I am. I'm going to a virtual Christmas party, and Zizi wants to be in the video as well. But I thought I'd show you a few things that I picked up in prep for my virtual company Christmas party. So went to M&S and of course got the goods. I got some Prosecco. This is just M&S's own brand Prosecco. I also got a few of their pre-made mixed drinks just because I'm feeling lazy, and also I'm probably just going to be playing games with my teams virtually and doing all this kind of stuff. So I got 2 of the Passion Star Martini cocktail, which is these ones, and then they also had a Christmas gin and tonic. I don't know why it's so Christmassy other than the Christmas packaging, so I got that as well. I also picked up a quick little bite to eat because I saw it and I wanted to try it out, and it's M&S has their own plant-based kitchen, and this is the Smokehouse No Chicken Wrap. It's barbecue with soya protein and crunchy slaw. It looks really good, and I wanted to try it because it is no meat in it, and their plant-based line is really actually quite delicious in my opinion. So that's everything that I got from M&S. I also wanted to open something on camera with you guys. I was so kindly sent a gift from one of my sweet friends, Shiv, who bought me this gift as a little bit of a congratulations of getting my new position that I'm gonna start in the new year, which you guys would have already known that I quit my current position and I'm starting a new job next year. And as such, she just bought me a cute little gift. And this is so, I don't know what's in, well, I kind of know what's inside because it was itemized on the card that she sent, but it's from Hotel Chocolate, which is quite a luxe chocolate brand here in London. So let's see what it's inside. Oh wow, it's so pretty packaged. Oh, thanks Shiv if you're watching. Okay, let's see. Try not to ruin it. Wow. Okay, there's lots of paper, but oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Hotel Chocolate Espresso Martini Chocolate Cream Liqueur. Sorry. Yum. Okay, this has vodka espresso white chocolate cream. Oh my gosh, I might actually drink this. I have so much alcohol in the house now because it's Christmas time, guys, and Christmas parties. What is your guys' go-to Christmas drink or just holiday cocktail? Oh, and it also has like congratulations chocolates in there. Ooh, yum. British cocoa. Let's see. Yeah, it's a mixed chocolate box, so it has like caramel cheesecake, ooh, raspberry smoothie, brownie, fudge sundae. Oh, this sounds so delicious. Yum, 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 yum. How sweet. Thank you so much, Shiv. That's so sweet and so thoughtful of you. Thank you. It's so nice to have friends that like, you know, give you gifts like that. It's always awkward receiving gifts in my opinion because yeah, you always want to give but receive, but that is so sweet. Thank you. And I also received a box from a PR company that I thought I would open with you guys. Anika, hope you enjoy and Merry Christmas from the Umbrella Project team. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks the Umbrella Project. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. So the first thing I see is this cork coaster. And I think that these are cocktails or drinks by the looks of it. Let's open this. Wow, everyone's sending me alcohol around the holidays, which is very kind and generous. So what is this? This is Terry's Chocolate Orange Negroni. Okay, so that's like a pre-made cocktail. This is Christmas Tree Old Fashioned. Oh my gosh, you guys, I honestly did not expect all these cocktails and drinks, but how fun is this? Let's see what this is. This is Three Kings. I don't know what the Three Kings in, but I guess it's a different type of cocktail that they make. I should have opened this all before I went to the store because if I would have known I had all this alcohol, I wouldn't have gone and bought more. Umbrella Buttered Brandy. It has butter, washed cognac, vermouth, sherry, and Umbrella Brewing apple cider vinegar. Oh my goodness, how fun. Then maybe these are beers? They look like beer cans, I'm not sure. But how cute is that packaging? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just literally in front of me, just surrounded by different cocktail drinks. This is gonna be an awesome Christmas party. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys all that, and I'm gonna get back to work because I am actually working today. Right guys, because I'm about to start my company Christmas party because it's starting a little bit earlier in the afternoon, I am going to open my advent calendars a little bit early today. So let's open day 18. Up top. Yep. Lindt chocolate ball. Honestly, I'm getting so used to these that I'm just falling in love with them every single time I open this. I'm gonna be so sad when I don't get chocolate every single day anymore. Now I know why everyone loves advent calendars. It's because you get chocolate every single day. Okay, day 18 on the impossible calendar. You found it. And more Cadbury milk chocolate. Anyways, guys, I am just about to log on to my Zoom meeting for my virtual company Christmas party. As you can see, I have my little outfit on just like from this morning, and to be honest, going outside today and even all the meetings I've had so far, Zizi and I just spread so much Christmas cheer. I think everyone's been appreciating the outfit. Give this video a thumbs up if you've liked my outfit and I brought you guys a little bit of festive cheer today. Anyways, it is now time to open all those drinks that I have been saving up until now, and I am going to sign off now. If you guys are not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I am uploading every day until Christmas, and I've got some big news for next week, so stick around for that, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!